In this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of what Ferrophorus is. Then, for any animation fans, I've got a short animated clip of some UK wildlife, and make sure to stick around till the end of the video where I'm going to tell you where you can go to get updates on the wildlife learning resources that I'll be releasing soon. How much do you know about wildlife in the UK? I expect you've heard of foxes, or badgers, or blackbirds, but how much do you really know about them? And have you heard of some of our less talked about species, like sand lizards, or pine martens, or barbastelle bats? Have you ever looked down at the leaf litter and seen a stag beetle? Can you tell the difference between our native plants? You might be surprised by just how much wildlife we have on our small patch of the earth, and how much of it is in danger of disappearing forever. Comment below what your favourite wildlife sighting in the UK has been. I'm Emily Legg of Ferrophorus, and I'm passionate about teaching you about UK wildlife and how you can help save it. Whether you own a luxurious mansion with acres of grounds, or you rent a flat with a tiny balcony, there are always steps that you can take to help make the UK a more wildlife-friendly place. I graduated as a zoologist, worked and volunteered with a range of species, and completed a master's in wildlife conservation. I've worked with small insects in South Africa to large lions and cheetahs in Namibia. But wherever I've worked, I've always seen parallels with home, where we aren't doing a good enough job of looking after our native wildlife. Last year, the Mammal Society released a report, which you can find in the description of this video, which states that a quarter of our mammal species face extinction. I know not everyone has the time to scour the internet to find all the information they need, or the financial resources to go on a training course. I started Ferrophorus as a way to get free content out there to anyone who wants to learn a little bit more about UK wildlife and what you can do to help it. Over the coming months, I'm going to be releasing videos on how you can improve your outdoor space by making it more wildlife friendly, as well as some videos teaching you a little bit more about UK wildlife species that you may not have heard of before. On the Ferrophorus website, I'll also be releasing free blog posts, as well as some accompanying fact files and posters that go into even more detail. The link to the website is in the description. Comment below which of these resources you are most excited to see. If you'd like to support me on this journey, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get updated when my next video releases. If everyone makes just one small wildlife-friendly change, then as a nation it will be one big change, and you'll start to see how connected we and all of our wildlife species truly are. To stay updated, join our mailing list by emailing ferrophorus@outlook.com. Thank you for doing your part to learn about and restore our wonderful native species.